All right, crew. Hey, we had to pull up here to Harbor Freight. As you guys know, man, I got these projects and don't feel comfortable with leaving all of my cars and stuff and with my trucks outside in the elements. So they got this carport that I'm gonna go and try to check out and stuff and see if it's gonna be worth getting. If I could just get one of my vehicles underneath, like a carport or a portable carport at least, because I don't want to put something in stationary because I'm not sure how long I'm gonna be there. Sure. Go up in here to Harbor Freight and see what we can see. I saw they had one on sale, and I'm what they call it, a in-track member and stuff. So I'm gonna go in here. I don't know how they feel about videotaping here, so I'm not gonna videotape. So I'm gonna just go in here, guys, my favorite place, and see if they got that tent. And once if I get it, that is, I'll take you guys along for a ride with me and stuff, and just see what happens or whatever. So hopefully I get this tent and start putting it together. So I'll get back with you guys in a second. All right, crew, so we are leaving Harbor Freight. I was able to get the tent that I wanted, and I tell you what, Midnight, look at her, boy. Midnight is looking good, and she's dirty, man. I tell you, it's been raining the last couple of days here. Man, I think that's the first time she's riding dirty. Riding dirty. I don't like that. Show you guys those steps. Tell you, they're working out good so far. My steps are working out really good, guys. Yes, sir. So anyway, this is the tent. It's 10 by 17. So this is a big boy here. So yeah, this tent here is gonna hopefully work out. Like I'm gonna take you guys, and I know you guys have seen people put tents up, but hey, you guys are hanging with CJ today, and I'm gonna take you guys on for a ride, and you guys are gonna help me put this tent up. So I'll see you guys here in a few seconds. Come on. Hey, welcome back, Classic Chevy crew. Hey, today, guys, we will be doing a quick tech review and also an install, and we'll be also about to do a box opening of a 10 by 17 foot canopy tent that we got from Harbor Freight. Open up these boxes, see what we got in store for ourselves today. This is the tarp here. Alright, guys, so this is everything that came into the kit in the little box accessory. They just came up. You got the two, well, actually got 4 of the little spikes to tie down. Then you got the tie downs for the side of the tent. You got it's like a little wire rope. You got 2 of those, and then you got the cross pieces here as well that you're going to anchor down to the crossbars to strengthen the tent up. So, and of course, that's everything laid out, like I said. And you got the front, side, and the front and back tent, or the tarp over there. So we're going to go ahead and start laying this stuff out in place of where it's going to be at first. Voila! Right. All right, crew, so I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna use some self-tapping screws here so I can strengthen the corners, and I will be putting my cotter pins in the bottom. Alright crew, this next step is not in the instructions, but of course whenever you're about to do some drilling, you always want to wear your safety goggles, which I have, and this is going to require some self-tapping screws and a drill, and we're going to go ahead and strengthen the corners and edges. Alright, now we just got to do the center, and as of what I was pointing at, we just got to do the center the same way. I'm going to have to get my ladder and do the same thing. Right, there she is. Now we can put the tarp on. Alright guys, a good tip, just like to let you guys know, I found out on the back side, whenever you're going to string these things up, your rafters there, the best thing is that it's coming out the end of your front tent. If I was you, I would actually put this through this little loop here in your stakes, and I would just tie that off, because if you don't tie it off, this string here is going to get all the way wrapped back up, and then you're going to have to restring this. So just, all right. Two hooks that look like this here for the bottoms, like that, and then you'll see it get pour taut. Alright guys, I know that it says to pour the tarp over and stuff, and I suppose you can do it with one person, but I'm going to try to use the old broomstick method, and we're going to see if this works now. If not, we'll try a different way. All right, did it on the first try. I can't believe it. So we're gonna go ahead and see what we need to do to tighten this down, and I can turn you guys back on. All right, crew, so the next big thing, we got to put these the number 4s, these rails to these slips here. It actually makes it a little sturdy, and we're gonna try to go ahead and put that. But before I do that, I think I'm gonna tie these things off here so they won't roll up in there. All right. And then basically you just repeat the steps, guys. I got one more to put down here, which I'll show you. And I won't show you the other side because it's the same thing. All right, guys, so we're gonna take these brackets and we're gonna tighten up all of the ones along here, as you see. And I'm going to see here. I already got these little screws back here. Try to hold it in one hand. It's gonna be kind of hard. All right, guys, and the last thing is to go ahead and clamp this down. Do the same thing just like the small ones. Make sure you guys can see me good. Tap it down tight. And then you just go ahead now and tighten up all the other ones since they're loose. Tighten them all up, and that'll be done. And then we'll basically are finished with the canopy, and we'll do a little walk around. All right, guys, so we are done with the install. And I tell you what, it's a perfect fit. Exactly what I was looking for and what I need. And I really haven't decided. I may even put some old truck that I'm working on out here, but there's plenty of room back here. This tent, guys. It took me a couple hours to install it. You guys see Bullseye, she's looking precious. Like that, and they got zippers on each side. Like that. Like I said, guys, hey, we got this at Harbor Freight today, and this is basically what I need. And now I got plenty of storage, and if I have to put some you know, parts and stuff in the garage downstairs, I can, but at least the cars are out of the element. So I just want to thank you guys for hanging out with the CJ the Cigar Man today. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this video, guys, so we can continue making good content like this here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this take review, and I'll see you guys on the next video.